students. This is me, teacher Bruno, and today we're going to study another form to talk about the future. In our previous lesson, we've studied the differences between will and going to. Will and going to are the fundamental forms for the future. Will is used for decisions made right now, at the moment of speaking. Example, you open the fridge, there's no sugar, there's no milk. Well, I'll buy some. You decided right now. Oh, excuse me, I'll open the door. Decision right now. Will. On the other hand, we use going to for future plans. Going to. The doctor said, I'm going to have a girl. That's in the future, that's something planned. I'm going on vacation. I'm going to study English tomorrow. I'm not going to work next weekend. Plans. And in reality, you can use both for predictions. So you're not sure, it's just a simple prediction. I think he'll win the elections. That's the prediction. You can use some. And in today's class, we're going to study another way, another form to talk about the future. In this form, we're going to use the present continuous. Normally, the present continuous is used for actions right now. For example, you are watching the video. I am teaching English. Actions happening right now. But we can also use the present continuous with future meaning. Let's analyze this. I'm leaving very early tomorrow. That's a plan. The time is tomorrow, and I'm certain about it. So those are the two requirements. When and a level of certainty or a strong intention. It's a definite plan. In these circumstances, you can actually use both. You can say, I'm going to leave very early. The difference is very small in meaning. It's my intention. I'm gonna leave early. I'm leaving very early. It's a little stronger. It's a definite plan, definitely. I have made the travel arrangements. I'm certain about it. I'm sure of it. So we can use the present continuous. Studying English tonight. I'm certain about it. I've made plans, arrangements, and that allows us to use the present continuous. So in total, there are three forms, will and going to. Will is for decisions right now at the moment. Going to is for plans. We can use both for predictions. And if it's a stronger intention, then you can use the present continuous with future. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave any comments if you have questions. Thank you and see you next class. Goodbye.